The 2007 Aspen. The Aspen boasts a powerful V8 engine, generous towing and cargo capacity, and high-tech features. It has the power to tow your toys and the elegance to look good doing it. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, universal garage door opener, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, passenger airbag, power windows, fog lamps, power door locks, bucket seats, CD player. Your new ride is just a phone call away.